How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Dell monitor not turning on. So there's a lot of problems regarding this, but generally if your monitor is not turning on, that only means that it is not getting enough power. So that is the first problem that we are going to solve. So most likely your power cable, which is going to be this one, isn't plugged properly. Now, you just want to go ahead and press it as hard as you can, making sure that the power plug is inserted all the way through, making sure that our monitor is getting enough power. Now, if it's plugged in properly, you can also unplug it for around 5 minutes to drain the circuit board of any electricity, and then basically you could try powering it on again. Now, if it's getting power but it's getting no display, of course there's a lot of headaches when it comes to this. Maybe your motherboard isn't working, but if you're certain that your computer is working, what we can do is to just head over to the OSD controls. So it's going to be on the buttons below your monitor right here. Just press on it, and then in OSD will then show up on this section, which is going to simply look something like this. It will then show up on this section. So what you want to do is to just navigate through the OSD controls, click on the input sources, and just make sure that you have selected the right input. So if you're using something like an HDMI cable, a video cable, DVI, or HDMI or something similar, VGA, you can just make sure that you selected the proper input source on your monitor, and from there it will use that source from your television or something like your computer. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.